What's up, guys? You guys have a Jeep JK or JKU, the newer style, with the single sprayer for the windshield washer. Then you go to wash off your windshield, you get that. It's like it sprays up here. There's always a big dirt spot here, which I can't show you now because my windshield's semi-clean. There's no adjustment. I actually picked up these nozzles that have adjustable sprayers. See if they're gonna work. If they do, each one can be adjusted by a pin. This has been one of my pet peeves since I bought this newer Jeep. As I was saying before, these have two adjustable sprayer nozzles on them. You can stick a pin in there and adjust it exactly where you want it to spray. This looks a lot smaller, so I don't know how this is actually going to work. Probably going to have to make something to make it fit properly. Probably dropped it right into my grill, didn't I? Nope. It's got a screen in there anyway. There's the difference. Looks like I'm going to have to make a little square plate. Comes down to these two, which this one, that'll work. Mama! Might be a two-person job here. I have to make a little something to make up that gap. Let's see what we got for that. So I got a piece of gasket material. Comes in a roll. You make your own gasket. Let me see if I can trace this. It's definitely a two-person job. I'll put a piece of tape, I guess. Fine tip marker. Looks like that'll work. Now I just have to punch a hole, and I'm going to keep it up towards one side because that looked best there. There's the hole. There's that. Oh, that looks like it might work okay. Definitely a two-person job. Let's see where this spray is now. Way low. Let's see if I can adjust this. You're gonna need a needle. Looks like it's gonna take a few shots. Better. I just got to get them out. A little down. It's almost like they're going to be at the max spread. Oh yeah. Left one's perfect. Right one's got to go out maybe a hair. Nah, looks pretty good.
Except these crazy eyes.
All right. And that, my friends, is a good upgrade, I would have to say. It should work. I'll let you know when the windshield gets a lot of mud on it. Get the latch or hood.